The bail hearing of the man arrested in connection with the murder of Eskom employee Thembisile Yende is being heard at the Springs Magistrates Court. The state has opposed the bail application of the accused. The 43-year-old man was arrested in Carltonville and faces charges of premeditated murder. The post-mortem has shown that the Eskom employee had suffered head injuries and bruises on her neck before she died. Her body was found in an office at Eskom's remote Pieterpoort substation in Springs on the morning of the 27th of May. She had been dead for 10 days before her body was discovered. Well, for the latest details now, we are joined by Kenny Mapanga, ANN7 reporter, for more on the story. Good afternoon to you, Kenny. If you could provide us further details, first of all, with regards to the arrest of the suspect. Also, apparently, reports coming through that he has confirmed that he is indeed an Eskom employee. Can you confirm?
Good afternoon to you, Abigail, and the viewers at home. The 43-year-old alleged suspect in the murder of Thembisile Yende, Devin Gwena, just appeared at around 11 a.m. at the Springs Magistrates Court. Now, he's saying that he's denying any of the state's claims that he's involved in this murder, and he's saying that that right now that he's a man that is married and has 3 children. He has nothing to do with this crime, and he's confirmed that he is actually an Eskom employee.
Kenny, with regards to what unfolded in court, can you give us further details on what we saw transpire there?
This morning in court, we weren't granted permission to broadcast the proceedings live, as the state is saying that the information is sensitive. However, David Gwena made a very brief appearance. He's saying that the state was vehemently opposing bail, and the state was suggesting that they wanted to postpone the bail application for some reason of a certificate or some documents that they were missing. And however, the magistrate denied this and allowed the bail proceeding to continue, which is what we've seen in the past 30 minutes in the court. Now that the magistrate is waiting for a Miss Sachawa that is part of the NPA, and we're all going to return to court at about 1:45 to hear the judgment. Now, the family is not willing to comment on the suspect, the friend of the accused that has reportedly died, and they want to wait until the end of the judgment to comment on the bail hearing. But community members have showed up in their numbers here at Court B at the Springs Magistrates Court. They've showed up in their numbers saying they want justice for Thembisile Yende, and they want no bail for the 43-year-old David Gwena, who is currently a suspect in this murder case.
Kenny, any response or statement released by Eskom itself?
Eskom has said that they're giving over this investigation to the police, and we know recently that Eskom didn't want to confirm whether David Gwena was an employee or not. But in his statement, in his affidavit that was just read out in court this morning, he has confirmed that he is definitely an Eskom employee.
Any details with regards to motive as yet?
Apologies, Abigail, could you repeat that question?
Any details with regards to motive and why this alleged murder had taken place? Any reason given as yet in court?
The Yende family has expressed that their loved one, Thembisile Yende, was allegedly a whistleblower. And now, the day that she was murdered at Eskom, it was said that she was supposed to testify against a senior Eskom official. Now, we don't know who that senior Eskom official is, but that day before she was about to testify, that is the day that the CCTV footage mysteriously went off and stopped working that day, and that was the day that she was mysteriously murdered and went missing. And this is one of the suspicions that the family think that might have been the reason as to why she had been murdered. And we've seen that in a previous interview, her brother and family spokesperson Boneni Yendes said that had she made it that day and had she made it to testify against a senior official, a lot of Eskom employees might have been without jobs that day.
Well, thank you very much, Kenny. Let's leave it there for now. We'll check in with you a little bit later to see any further details and developments in court. ANN7 reporter Kenny Mapanga coming to us live from outside the court. The bail hearing of the man arrested in connection with the murder of Eskom employee Thembisile Yende is currently being heard at the Springs Magistrates Court. Stay tuned to ANN7. We are going to keep you up to date with the latest details and developments.